Hello and welcome back to the channel. College can feel overwhelming, right? There's so much happening lectures, assignments, clubs, internships, and sometimes it feels like some students just know how to manage it all better. Well, that's no accident. Those students have unlocked something called the hidden curriculum, the skills and strategies that no one officially teaches you, but are absolutely essential for success. Today, in this video, we will have a walkthrough to these hidden strategies step by step. Trust me, once you understand these, your entire college journey will feel smoother, more rewarding, and way less stressful. So, what exactly is the hidden curriculum? Think of it as the unspoken rule book of college. Professors won't sit you down and teach this, but these are the skills that successful students use every single day. For example, mastering time management helps you juggle multiple assignments without panicking. Networking, not just knowing people, but genuinely connecting with classmates, seniors, and even professors, open doors you never imagined. And then there's communication, learning to confidently speak up in the class or send an email that actually gets a reply. These skills combined with resilience and self learning strategies create the hidden advantage that separates top performers from those who constantly struggle. But don't worry, you don't need to figure it out on your own. I'm here to let you know each one of them. Alright, first thing first, time management. Ever felt like you are constantly racing against deadlines? That's where the Eisenhower matrix can save you. It's a simple yet powerful way to prioritize your tasks. Here how it works. Anything that's urgent and important, like a project deadline or an upcoming exam, needs your immediate attention. Get it done first. Tasks that are important but not urgent, don't ignore them or they will sneak up on you later. Then you have tasks that feel urgent but aren't important. These are the time thieves. Learn to minimize or delegate them, like endless social media notifications or unnecessary meetings. Finally, anything that is neither urgent nor important. Well, you know what to do, just skip it. To stay organized, use tools like Google Calendars for reminders, Notion for planning notes, or Trello to visualize your progress. Once you build this habit, you will find yourself feeling more in control and way less overwhelmed. Next up is networking. Now, before you picture awkward conversations at events, hear me out. Networking doesn't mean forcing fake conversation. It's about building genuine connections with people who can help you grow. Start with your classmates, build study groups, or work on projects together. Trust me, these connections can turn into job referrals and collaborations down the line. Next, talk to your professors. Not just for grades, but to learn from their experiences. They often have industry contacts that can lead to internships or research opportunities. And don't forget about LinkedIn. It's not just a job portal. It's a powerful platform to connect with industry professionals, join tech communities, and stay updated with trends. Also, don't miss out on events like hackathons, seminars, and tech meetups. These are golden opportunities to meet like minded people and expand your network. Remember, success isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. So put yourself out there. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated skills, communication. Think about this. You would be amazing at coding or data analysis, but if you can't explain your ideas clearly, you will struggle to stand out. First, improve your writing skills, whether it's writing better mails, resumes, or even project documentations. Clear writing makes a huge difference. Next, practice public speaking. I know it sounds intimidating, but it's a game changer. Start small, explain tech concepts to your friend, or rehearse in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Lastly, work on simplifying complex ideas. Whether you are explaining code logic to your teammates or describing a project in an interview, clarity is everything. Strong communication skills make you memorable, and that's a powerful advantage. Finally, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: resilience. College isn't easy. You will face tough assignments, difficult exams, moments when you feel stuck. That's normal. What matters most is how you respond. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it. Every mistake is a chance to grow. Adopt a growth mindset, focus on progress rather than perfection. It's okay if you don't get everything right at the first time. What matters is that you keep improving. And to manage stress, find what works for you, be it mindfulness, meditation, or just taking regular breaks. College is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay strong and don't be too hard on yourself. So that's the hidden curriculum, the unwritten rulebook that can make or break your college experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more insights. And if you faced any struggles or have your own tips, drop them down in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Stay curious and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.